Have a look at example number 4. Find the mean of the following frequency distribution using the assumed mean method. So here what I am given, class intervals and frequency given. So class intervals are 100 to 120, 120 to 140, 140 to 160, 160 to 180, 180 to 200. Frequency 10, 20, 30, 15 and 5. So by using the assumed mean method, how will get mean? So mean equals to formula, nothing but x bar equals to a plus sigma fd by sigma f. This is a formula. Here A stands for assumed mean. Am I clear? So assumed. So by using the assumed mean, how will get mean value? This is a formula. Meaning x bar equals to a plus sigma fd by f. Here d stands for what? Deviation. So d stands for what? Deviation. So deviation. So deviation, nothing but how will get deviation? That is also very important. So A stands for assumed mean or assumed value, assumed mean. Am I clear? Yes. So here first one we need to write class intervals. So here class interval and frequency given. So class intervals are between 100 to 120. So 100 to 120. Next one 120 to 140. Next one 140 to 160. Next 160 to 180. Next one 180 to 200. Total 5 given. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So frequency 10, 20, 30, 15, 5. 10, 20, 30, 15 and 5. So this is frequency. Am I clear? So 10, 20, 30, 15 and 5. So first one we need to find. So this is a given question. What I am given? Class interval and frequency. First one we need to find total frequency. Total frequency sigma f equals to 10 plus 20, 30, 30 plus 30, 60, 60 plus 15, 75 plus 5, 80. Sigma f, because in that formula denominator value sigma f. So we need to notice that first one we need to find the sigma f, nothing but total frequency. What I am getting? 80. So according to formula A, so A plus sigma fd by sigma f. A stands for what? Assumed mean. So how will get assumed mean? So before that we need to find midpoints, mid values. Midpoint or mid values. So it will be considered as a x. Okay na? Yes. So how will get mid values? So it is taken from average value of each class interval. Am I clear? 100 plus 20. 100 plus 20, 220 by 2. So average nothing but by 2, 110. Exactly middle. Mid value means exactly middle value between the interval. Next one 120 plus 140. What is the middle value? 130. So total 260 by 2, 130. Next one. So 20 difference. Remaining also follows 20 difference in the mid values. Next one 150. Next one 170. Next one 190. Okay. So that is a mid values x. So here in that formula how will get d? D stands for deviation. Deviation d equals to, what is the formula? X minus a. So here a value nothing but assumed mean. Assumed mean only calculated, only taken in the mid values. So here 5 values given. So clearly we need to understand here how many values are appeared in the mid values. Mid values. Okay na? Clearly we need to understand 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So exactly between it will be considered as a assumed mean. So that is capital A. Am I clear? Capital A. That is called assumed value. So what is the formula? Deviation equal to x minus a. So x minus a. First one 10 minus 110. 10 minus, x minus a. 110 minus 150. And d equals to deviation equal to x minus a. So already a value what I am taken? 150. So that is exactly middle of the mid values. It will be answered as a assumed mean. Am I clear? So d equal to x minus a. Here d stands for deviation. So 110 x value nothing but 110 minus a 150 minus 140. I will get minus 110 x minus a 150. 110 minus 150 minus 40. Next 130 minus 150 minus 20. Next 150 minus 150, 0. Next 170 minus 150, 20. Next 190 minus 150, 40. Am I clear? That is a deviation. But in that formula, so A value already found, okay, 150. So first one we need to find F into D. Am I clear? F into D. So again, what is the next column? F into D. F into D. That is the final column, F into D. FD. So F1 nothing but a frequency. D value already got 5 values. Okay, 10 into minus 40, minus 400. 20 into minus 20, minus 400. Am I clear? Next one, 30 into 0, 0. Next one, 15 into 20, positive 300. 5 into 40, positive 200. Am I clear? So in that formula, what I am given, sigma FD, nothing but we need to find sigma FD, total value. So for minus 400, minus 400, minus 800, plus this is 500. So we will get minus 300. Minus 300, that is sigma FD. Minus 800 plus 500, we will get minus 300. That is a sigma FD value. So this is a table by using the assumed mean. Am I clear? Yes. But question what I am asking? So mean value, what is the mean formula? A plus sigma FT by sigma F. So mean, once I am write that formula, x bar by using the assumed mean A plus sigma FD by sigma F. So A value, so from the table A value 150, exactly middle value in mid values, okay na? 150, A 150 plus sigma FD value already got minus 300, okay, whole by sigma F value 80. So it can be written 150 plus minus into plus minus or plus into minus 300 by 80. So 0 0 cancel. Am I clear? 0 0 cancel and 2 0 0 cancel. 2 15 ja, 2 4 ja. So it can be written 150 minus 15 by 4, 4 3s are 12, remainder 15 by 4, 4 3s are 12, remainder 3, point taken 0, 7s are 28, remainder 2, 0, 5s are. So 15 by 4 value 3.75. So what is the difference? 150 minus 3.75. So what is final answer? 146.25. So this is a mean value by using the assumed mean. Am I clear? So this is also very important question. So let's go to example number 5. Calculate the mean of the following frequency distribution. Use the step deviation method. So using the step deviation method. So already given here class interval and frequency. Class interval 0 to 80. Next 80 to 160, 160 to 240, 240 to 320, 320 to 400. Frequency 22, 35, 44, 25, 44. Am I clear? So clearly we need to notice that in that question, yes sir, by using the step deviation method, what is the mean formula? Mean equals to nothing but x bar equals to, what is the formula? So formula is A plus sigma fu by sigma f, sigma fu by sigma f into height, nothing but size of the class h, okay. So clearly we need to notice that here h stands for difference of the class interval, that is called size of the class, 80 in each section, 80, that is h. So how will get u value? Sigma f means total frequency. So by using the step deviation method, so that is a step deviation method formula, okay na, mean equals to A plus sigma fu by sigma f into h. Am I clear? Yes. So here class interval, next what I am given? Frequency. Class interval what I am given? First one 0 to 80. Next one 80 to 160, 80 to 160, 80 to 160, next one 160 to 240, next one 240 to 320, yes 320, 80 difference, yes, again last one 320 to 400. So this is a given class interval and the frequency. So frequency 20 to 35, 20 to 35 and 44, last two values 25, 24, 25, 24. Am I clear? Yes. So first one we need to find a total frequency, sigma f. So in that formula denominator sigma f given, yes. So total frequency 22 plus 35 plus 44 plus 25 plus 24. What is total? What is the unit place values? 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus 4, 11, 11 plus 5, 16, 16. Yes. So in that case, class intervals and frequency given. So a value, a nothing but that is a assumed mean. So how to find the assumed mean? So middle values of midpoint. So again we need to find, but before that, so what is the total frequency? 2 plus unit place values are added. We can add a unit place value. 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus 4, 11, 11 plus 5, 16, 16 plus 4, 20, 2 carry again 2 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 3, 13 plus 2, 150. So what is sigma f? 150. Again we need to find mid value. So mid value it will be considered as x. Okay. So mid value means that is the average value between the class interval, in each class interval. Okay na? 0 to 8. 0 to 8. What is 0 plus 80? So this is also called continue class. Okay na? So we are going to observe. So what I am given, if there are continue class intervals, nothing but ended with starting, that is called continue class intervals. So when is given continue class interval, directly we can take mid values. So how we will get x values? Average of 0 and 80 in each class interval. 0 plus 80, 80 plus by 2, average means by 2, 40, exactly middle value. So 40, am I clear? First one 40, next one 80 plus 160, 80 plus 160, 240, 240, 240 by 2, 120. So what is the difference? 40 and 120, 80 difference. So again 80 added. So again we'll get this is total 160 plus 240, total 400, 400 by 2, 280, 80 added. Next 80, 280. Am I clear? So 280, next one 80 added. This is 80, nothing but 360. So average, this is 720 by 2, 360. So in that middle values, you need to notice that. So what is the between the value? It will be considered as a assumed mean. That is called A. So it will be considered as A. A nothing but assumed mean. A. Am I clear? Yes. A. So in that formula already got a sigma f value, a value. But how will get, what is another one? A sigma fu. So how to find the u value? So clearly we need to understand, but before that we need to find the deviation. So deviation, d equals to formula x minus a. So first one we need to find deviation. Deviation equals to x minus a. Am I clear? So deviation x minus a nothing but 140 minus 200. 140 minus 200 minus 160. Am I clear? Next one 120 minus 200. So 120 minus 200, 80 minus 80. Am I clear? Next one 200 minus 200, 0. Next one 280 minus 280. Next one 360 minus 200, 160. So that is a deviation. Again also we need to find u. So u equals to formula, u equals to, so what is the formula? U equals to d by h, directly d by h, that means x minus a by d by h. So u equals to formula d by h. Am Am I clear? So or you can write directly x minus a by h d. So h nothing but that is the size of the class interval in each section. So what is the difference? 80. Here also 80, here also 80. It is divided by 80. So u equals to d by h. That is the formula. Or you can directly write x minus a by h. X minus a by h also. D stands for what? Deviation. Already got deviation values minus 160, minus 80, 0, 80, 160. So E equals to formula d by h. So deviation in each deviation divided by that size of the class in each section. Okay na? So 160 minus 160 by what is the size here? Difference. Height. So here h value h equals to 80. Okay na? H equals to 80. Because that is a class size in each section. Okay na? Right. So it is divided by 80 in each deviation. Minus 160 by 80 minus 2. Minus 80 by 80 minus 1. 0 by 80 0. 80 by 80 1. 160 by 82. So that is u value. But finally which one is appears? Fu. So finally we need to calculate f into u. So fu. So f into u. So fu. So nothing but a frequency 22 into minus 2 minus 44. Again 35 into minus 1 minus 35. And 44 into 0 0. Next one 25 into 1 25. And 24 into 2 48. Am I clear? So again we need to find sigma fu. What is the total? Sigma fu value? Sigma fu value. So these are negative values minus 44 minus 35 minus 79. Okay na? Minus 79. These are negative. Here what is the positive value? 73. Positive 73. So 25 plus 48 73. What is the difference? Minus 6. So what you are getting? Sigma fu equals to minus 6. Close the table. So this is a required table for the calculate the mean value by using the step deviation method. So when it is given step deviation method, so here in that question what I am given only see a class interval and frequency given. We need to find next 4 values x, nothing but mid value, deviation x minus a, u equals to d by h, h nothing but size of the class, and fu, sigma f equal to minus 6. What is the formula? By using the step deviation, mean equals to nothing but x bar equals to what is the formula? A plus sigma fu by sigma f into height. So clearly we need to understand a value nothing but assumed mean already taken from the mid values 200. Here a equals to 200. Sigma fu value what I am getting minus 6. And sigma f equals to total frequency 150. And height nothing but size of the class 80. Difference 0 80. Difference 80 and 160. Difference is 80. So those values directly put into that equation we will get. So a value 200 plus sigma fu minus 6 whole by sigma fu 150 into height 80. Am I clear? So equals to 200 plus into minus 6 into 80 directly multiply together 480. 6 into 80 480 by 150. 0 0 cancel. Am I clear? 0 0 cancel. Next one 15. This is 3 16s 3 5s 16 by 5. 16 by 5. So what is the required answer? So 200 minus 16 by 5 nothing but this is 3.2. 16 by 5 3.2. So what is the required answer? 200 minus 3.2 196.8. So this is the mean value by using the step deviation method. By using the step deviation method, this is also very important for competitive exams. Have a look at example number 6. Find the median of the following data. So what I am given data entries 13, 17, 7, 9, 11, 10, 15, 12 and 8. So whether it is asking median, First one, given values. So given data entries or data values arranged in either assigning order or designing order. So what I am taken first, assigning order. So first one, we can arranging the given data values in assigning order. Assigning order. So that is the main rule. Okay. So what is the assigning form? So assigning means small to big. What is the smallest number? Here smallest number is 7. Next 8. Next one 9. Next one 10. Next one 11. Next one 12. 12 followed by 13. Next one 14 not there and 15. Okay, 15, rest of the value 17. So this is assigning form. But here n value, n nothing but number of positions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 position given. So that is called odd position. So odd positions, okay, odd number. So 9 is an odd number. So when it's given n value odd number, what is a median formula? Median equals to n plus 1 by 2th observation. So n plus 1 by 2th observation is called median. So here n value 9. So 9 plus 1 by 2, 10 by 2. So 10 by 2, fifth observation. So fifth, 10 by 2, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 by 2, fifth observation is a required answer in assigning order. So what is the fifth observation? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is the required answer? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth observation from both sides. Okay. So answer is 11. So median equals to, therefore, so median nothing but capital M equals to, answer is 11. So that is the required answer. Am I clear? Yes. So let's go to example number 7. Find the median of the following data entries. What I am given here, 8, 12, 15, 7, 6, 5, 4, 8, 10, 12. So firstly, when it is whether it is asking a median, nothing but first one we need to find a assigning order. So we can arranging the following data entries in a assigning order or designing order. What I am taking assigning form. Assigning order. So assigning means small to big. What is the smallest here? So smallest value 4. Next one 5. Next one 6. Next one 7. Next one 8. 8 twice given. Okay, 2 times you can write. Next one followed by next 10. Next 12, 2 times given. 12 comma 12. 12. What is the last entry? 15. So here n position, number of values. How many given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10. It is a even. So 10 is a even. So when it is given even number of positions, how to find the median? So median capital M equals to, so first one n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1 observation whole by 2. So this is a formula. So but here n value n equals to ten. Okay, n value 10. So 10 by 2 with the observation OBS, short form taken, observation plus here 10 by 2 plus 1 with the observation whole by 2. So that is the average value. Okay, n by 2 plus 1 average value is called median in the assigning order. So 10 by 2 nothing but 5. Okay, 5 plus so this is a fifth observation, 10 by 2, fifth observation plus here 10 by 2, 5 plus 1, sixth observation whole by 2. So in that ascending order, what is the fifth observation? Fifth observation value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So fifth observation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth observation 8. Sixth observation 8. Am I clear? So 8 plus 8 by 2. That is the required answer. So 8 plus 8, 16 by 2. Then answer is 8. So fifth observation, average of fifth observation and sixth observation. That is the required answer in ascending order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So fifth observation 8 as well and also sixth observation 8. So 8, 8 average equals to 8. So that is the required answer. Am I clear? So rest of the questions I will discuss you later. Thank you for watching my videos. Have a nice day. Jai Hind.